Hey guys, I'm Jeff. I'm the technical manager with MOD Bikes, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out the fuses on your EZ battery. So let's talk about some reasons why you might need to change a fuse. Fuses protect against surges in current, and if your fuse is popped, when you plug your battery into the charger, it won't charge at all, and when you plug your battery into your bike won't turn on. So let's go over some of the EZ batteries. Some have 2 fuses, some have 1. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it and replace the fuses. You don't need much for this. I would recommend you come with a pair of scissors. Some pliers that have a normal head, not needle nose pliers would be ideal. A number 2 hex Allen wrench. Some of them require a Torx T10 wrench, and there are some also that require a small Phillips head. So first thing we want to do is remove these 4 screws so that we can get the faceplate off. Now that we've removed the 4 bolts, let's carefully remove the faceplate and see what's inside. So our fuses are located within these 2 black boxes. Let's do just one at a time, okay? First, I'm going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut this tape right here so I can get to my fuse boxes easier. Now with my tape cut, I'm going to start with this fuse, and to get to the fuse we need to take off the cover, and you simply just hold the bottom of it and pull the top off. Simple as that. Now that we have our cover off, we can take some pliers and remove the fuse from the box. You don't want to squeeze too hard on the fuse, just hard enough to keep a grip, and pull it out. Straight out. To identify if your fuse has gone bad or not, the key is this little bridge in between the 2 prongs. And if you can see this little piece here is still in good condition like this, then your fuse is still okay. If your fuse is bad, this little bridge here will be burned out, just like a filament in a light bulb, and you won't have continuity. To replace the fuse, you just put it back in the box where it was before. Make sure it seats as deep as it was when you pulled it out the first time. We're going to put the cap back on this one and we're done with this fuse box. And with the other one, same thing. Remove the cap. I like to use some pliers to remove it. Inspect the fuse, and if you need to put a new one in, you put a new one in, otherwise back in where it goes. Cap. There's no need to add any new tape or anything to when you put the fuses back where they were. Just simply lay them down back where you found them. Try and reposition the tape as it was. Put the faceplate back on. Insert your new bolts and you're good. In some cases, you'll have a number 2 Allen wrench, which is what these 3 bolts are here. But then you also could have one that would have a T10 Torx wrench, which is what that bolt is, or a Phillips head, as we saw with the battery with 2 fuses. But this battery is different from the other one in that this battery only has 1 fuse inside. This one doesn't have any tape holding it down. No problem. We're going to do the same thing as we did with the other one. Take fuse box cap off. Got a number 40 fuse here, and then we'll use our pliers to get it out. Gently pushing on it, just enough to get a grip, and pull it out. Inspecting the bridge. This one's good, as we know. We're going to put it back in. Push it all the way in, make sure it's well seated, like that, about that far end. Don't forget your cap, very important. Cap goes on. Tuck the wires back down neatly. Place the cover back on and reinstall the bolts. Thanks guys for watching. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to our support team. See you in the next one.